Hi friends, I am Riju. Today we are planning to discuss the topic Microsoft Defender Web Protection for our endpoint device in Intune. So we will go for our learning objective. What we are planning to discuss here, what is web protection and web threat protection and web content filtering, custom indicator and one of the demo. So we will go for our learning objective. So first we will discuss what is the web protection. Web protection is protect your user from online threats such as phishing, malicious website and unsafe download. And what are the features available for the web protection, web threat protection, web content filtering, and custom indicator? So web protection report, how to we can get the web protection report, Defender portal report and web protection. We will go for the first feature, web threat protection. So now we will discuss about the web threat protection. So this diagram you can represent for the web threat protection. You can see one of the organization. The organization had two devices. One is using Sam, another is John. And the Sam is request for one website. Sam is not aware about this website is malware website or no. The Sam will be request. So the request will be going to the malware website, and the response will be generated as a malware. So what happened? The Sam device is malware infected. You can see here now the Sam device is a malware infected. The same John devices, the John will be request the same website. Return back, you can see Defender web threat protection will be block this malware. So now the SAM device will get the response that the website is blocked due to the Microsoft Defender web threat protection policy. So now you understand what is the web threat protection policy. We will go for the deep discussion. You can see here, secure your device against the web threats and supporting stop accessing phishing sites, malware vectors, exploit sites, untrusted or low reputation sites, supporting Microsoft Edge and Microsoft Edge non-browser like a Google Chrome or Firefox, like a non-web browsers for Microsoft Edge. So also they will provide net protection to audit only, blocking will be unavailable. So next we will discuss about the web content filtering. You see this same diagram. So what is we will represent here the same organization, the two device, one for using, one for just SAM. So you can see here SAM will be request for the streaming media like a YouTube. The request will be generated and the SAM can see this request. You can see now SAM will be showing the YouTube. So but your organization need to filter the content. So organization want to block streaming media from downloading or watching for the end user device. So what happened? The same John will be request for the same YouTube media. So return you can see web content filtering. The web content filtering will be block the media YouTube. You can see here. Then the user John get the information. The website is blocked your organization from the Microsoft Defender. So now you can understand what is the web content filtering. So we will go for a little bit learning. Web content filtering allow organization control and restricted type of website that user can access from their cooperative device. So the organization can block with the restricted type of website using the content filtering. So where you can get to this one, setting, endpoint, general and advanced features. So content filtering category, different category, adult content, high bandwidth, legal liability, malicious and uncategorized. So next we will go for the custom indicator, another feature of the web protection policy. What is custom indicator? You can see here your organization, Sam and John. Sam needed to access the website www.rijoskill.com. So one Sam will be requested and the response will be generated. You can see Sam will be get. But your organization request for you, please block this website www.rijoskill.com. So that time you can use for the custom indicator URL or domains. So how to we can block this one? The same John will be request. You can see the John will be request. So request will be blocked. So how to they will block it using the indicator. So deny the access. So now you will get the information. The website is blocked your organization. So Microsoft Defender will be using for the custom indicator to block the website. So now you understand what is a custom indicator. So we will go for brief. Allow you to block or allow specific URL, domain or IP address as a part of your web threat protection. You can allow or you can block. You can use it for IP address, domain or file like hash. You can use this one, custom indicator. And how to reach setting, endpoint, indicator and URL domains. So next we will discuss for the demo. So what we are planning to discuss here, web threat protection, web content filtering, and custom indicators. So now we will go for Microsoft Intune portal. So we will implement how to we can do this one. So we reach our Microsoft Intune admin center, Rejo shop. So how to we can do the web protection? You just go for endpoint security. Then you just go for attack surface reduction. Then just go for creating policy. Then here Windows. Then after that web protection. Just you can see web protection Microsoft and the endpoint. Use network protect your secure machine against the web threat. So just click create. So we need to give the basic information name. We will web, just to copy that same, whatever you need to, you just copy basic configuration. So here you can see, we need to enable the network protection. If you already enabled for the policy, you no need to configure this one. So currently I just go for enabling, and require smart screen for Microsoft Edge. Enable Microsoft Legacy version 45 years smart screen for the accessing the website or download. We will then block malicious website, yes, and block unverified download, yes. Then click next. So here you have in his scope tag, you can give this one. Then you need to assign the group. Currently I will not assign anything, just I will create the policy. So now the policy is created. So now you can see here, web protection demo is created. So next we need to assign this policy. So how to we can this? We need to create one group. Just go for the group. Then I will create one new security group. Security group name. So just copy that one. Description. Then after that, I need to add the member here. I just go for the device. I just take reach, select, then click create. So now I create the group already. So just after that, I just go for assign before we create the policy web protection today. Then here you can go for the property. Then here you need to assign, just click assign, then add a group. Then here you need to search the group. Just select, then review and save. Then click save. So now we implement our policy. Then after that you just close this one. Then again open. Then you can see here overview. Your policy will be after implementation, succeed or error or conflict will be coming here, and profile assignment also coming here. So now what we will do, we complete this one assignment. So we need to open the our device, same device. So what is the device we need to open? Just go for the device. Then I just go for platform Windows. Then I will check desktop region. So this device we want to open. So I just go for my virtual machine now. So now we reach our device. So now we reach our device. Just open the device. So what we will do, we just go for our registry edit. First of all, we will checking for the enable register edit. Then open it. Then here you can see local machine. Then you can just go for software. Then you can see the policy. Then after that Microsoft policy. Then here you can go for Windows Defender policy manager. So here you can see your policy will be coming here. Now device control is enabled ASR. So currently there are no policy for the network protection. So it take little bit time to complete for the network protection here. So we just close this one. We just refresh. So now I pause my video. It take little bit time to complete the policy will be. So I just waiting for the policy completion. Now you can see here our policy will be completed for already implemented. So you just go for the device status. You can see desktop region policy succeeded. So just we will go for again our devices. Just to close this one, then I will just go for again register edit. So just same before we go there. So just to go for here. So now before you can see you don't have enabled the network protection. So now you can see the your network protection will be enabled. So now the policy is implemented. So we just go for Microsoft Edge. So here what we will do, we just go to searching for one of any websites. So just I will go for any one of the website. So just I will go for again. Then I will search. So then after that, I just try to download one zip file. So now you can see our Microsoft Edge smart screen will be block your. Then you just, if you keep anyway, just try to. So now you can see Defender smart screen will be Defender smart screen will be block your content. So now you understand how to the web protection will be working for this one. And also we are trying to using some URLs. You just go for this URL, just to keep that URL. Then I will just going to search. So this one, test for malware. So I just tried to using one of the websites. So here you can see was blocked for the Microsoft Edge. And if we will just for the any another website also, just I will just try to, yeah, you can see here. You can see this site has been reports are unsafe and Microsoft Defender Smart Screen will be block the sites. So same like you will get if you go for any vulnerability website, you will get the same notification message. And if you browse for another web browser also, you will. So I just try for same in our one of Mozilla Firefox, just to copy the same website. So I just go for trying this one also. So here also you can see visiting this website may be harmful your computer. So you will get the same notification from here also. So now you understand how to the web protection will be helpful for you. So same, you just go for the secure defender. So just I will go for the secure.microsoft.com, the defender portal. So here you just coming in the device endpoint, then go to configure. Here you can see the endpoint security policy. Then you can check whatever the policy previously we will created. Web, you can see web protection today 1325. Just click that protection policy. Also you will get the all the information: block unverified download, block malicious, block smart scheme, enable the network protections. And you can see the successful policy and policy settings value. You can get the policy settings values, enable network protection SS, also policy settings status. Also you can see all the policy and what is the device will be applied. You can see desktop regio and assigned group. Also you will get the all the information. You get the all the information regarding for the your policy. So just I will go for the device in the asset. So I just go for the device desktop regio. Then here you can see your incident and alert. If you show any incident and alert, you can get from the here also the incident and alert also. So now you understand how to we can implement for the web protection policy from in our device. So next we complete for the web threat protection. So next we need to web content filter. How to we can do the web content filtering. So we will just go for the web content filter. How to we can do that one. And I will go for my Microsoft secure.microsoft.com. Then after that you just go for settings. Then here you can see endpoints settings. So just we will go for advanced feature. So here you can see the web protection filtering. So just web content filtering. Just on this web content filtering. So after that, save the preference. So now what happened? Your preference will be saved. So now the content filtering will be turned on. So how to we can implement for the rules for the content filtering. So here you can coming the rules section. You can see here web content filtering. So this is the rule for the web content filtering. So before we need to create the web content rule, we just go for in your browser. You can go for here Facebook. So now I can browse for the Facebook website as because I until now I not doing the filtering. So after filtering, you can see the difference. So now again I will implement for the rule for the content filtering. Just again I will go for here. So here you can see you need to implement the content filtering rule here. Web content just click web content filtering. Then we need to add the policy social media block. Okay. So next, you can go for here legal availability, criminal activity, hacking, illegal webs, and here you can see relations, chat, games, instant messaging, professional, web-based, and social network. If you want to block, I will block everything. If you need only particular, you can go for like this one. So I just go for everything. Then after that, click in next. Then here you can see scope, which mission group you want to apply for this one. So I just skip this step now. Then I will click next. Then I will submit. So now I will implement for the web content filtering for the social media. Then after that, done. So now you can see social media. You can see the device group. So here you can make the group. So currently I just go for add device group. So device social media block. Then copy. Full remediations. Then after that, next. Here you can implement for the your rule. Start with equal to, then next, then show preview. So here now you can see the device will become, click in next. So here you want to see user access to device for select Azure AD user group should have to access the group, assign Azure AD to limit access to this group, grant to access. So if you want to access this group to any of the your one of the group, you can give this one. So I just go for the submit. So all user will have to access to device group to limit the access to the device group, edit for the device group, grant access to space. So I don't give anyone to access for this group. Then I will click next. Device group configure changed and then apply the changes. One more time. Confirm one, apply changes. So I apply the changes. So now I just go for the, you can see one of the device, social media block, full remediation and description social media. So after that, you will create before one policy. So I just go for web content filtering. Just here you can see. Then we just need to add that group scope tag. So here you can see the scope will not come here. So it take little bit time to complete. The scope will be coming here. So what I will do, I just add this scope to the web content filtering. And if you, so I just cancel this one. So just remove that device group. Then I just add the web content filter the device. So just start with equal to desktop region, start with Windows 10. Then click in next, show preview, then submit. So why I will add, because the device group until now not populate in there in the policy. So I just need to finish the tag very easy. So I just go for the, so now I will just promote this one, cancel, promote ranking one. So I just promote this one, the ranking first. So now after that, just go for now again web content filtering. Then after that, I will just go for social media. Then I just edit. Next, scope tag, web content filter. Next, submit. Then done. So just after that, then opening, you can see a select mission group web content filtering, close it. So after that, we try to, it take a little bit time to complete the whole web content filtering. So it take little bit time. So I just pause my video. After that, I will come back. So we need to check for the social content is blocked or no. We just go for again our device. So we try to facebook.com. So now you can see here the content is blocked by your organization, hosted by www Facebook. Now what happened? Our Defender, Microsoft Defender will be block our Facebook social media application. You can try for any another social media also. Any website x.com. See, now you can see here also the content is blocked. So now you understand how to your content will be blocked by the category wise filtering. So now we just go for our Defender portal again. Then after that, we just go for the report. Just go down. So here you can go for the report. Then you can go for here endpoint and web protection. You can click the web protection. So here all your web threat detection over time. So real time web threat detection will be, and here web threat summary. So 13 malicious access. So if you need to see the details, just click the details. You can the whatever the thread malware URL will be both 3 missions. So you just click the information you can see here. Whatever the device will be blocked the information. So it take a little bit time to update from the your report from here. So now you see the how to we can find the report here, and also you can go for the web category base details. So if you can go for here, you can see the web activity. So this is the web filtering details. So how to the web content filtering summary. So one you can go for here, you will get the all the detail here, but it take a little bit time to the report will be generated from here. So currently there no any report will be here, the web category base, because it take a little bit time. See in the previous section for this one, you can see here domain Netflix will be blocked. So the same, it take a little bit time to the report will be. You can go for the report detail. So it currently here only showing the high bandwidth. So after you can see here currently there no information is showing here because it take a little bit time to complete that first. So now you get the all the information regarding this. So now we need to go for the last demo. So the indicator. So now we already complete for the web threat protection, web content filtering, and finally we go for the custom indicator. So just I will go for the Defender portal. So how to we can do the custom indicator. So now we reach our Microsoft Defender portal. So just go for the settings. So we need to enable the indicator settings. So just go for the advanced features. So after that, just go for check the indicator. Yeah, you can see here customer network indicator. Just turn on configure device, allow or block connection, IP address, domain or URL. So indicator list. Just save the preference. So now we need to implement the indicator. So how to we can implement the indicator? Then we need to go for the rules. Then we need to create the indicator. Just click the indicator. So currently I just go for the URL domains. So here you can see I just go again. We will go for like richoskill.com. So now Richoskill. So I need to block this website. So richoskill.com. Currently we can access for the richoskill.com. But we need to create the indicator. So URL or domain. So just add that one. URL means this is the URL. Then our title Richoskill. Just go for here. Then never expire. If you need to custom time, you can give the custom range. So I just go for this one. Then after that, if you check the static and the impact of adding the custom indicate date for last year. So you can see here, you can get the shows the statics, thread intelligence and high and win. You can get the all the information. Currently, we don't implement this the rijoskill.com. So we don't have any detection. So I just go for any another website like previously we will add one website. I will just go for apple.com. Just to copy this one. Same Microsoft Defender. We just add this one for www. Then you can go for the show the statics. So here you can see the previous section we added. So that's why the thread intelligence to active alert one incident and all the information we will get. So one device is already. So this is a show the statics will be, you will get the statics for the created for the devices. So just you can see data from the last 13 days. So I currently I just go for Joe skill only. So after that I just go for the next. So here you can see more allow, audit and warn and block executes. Allow means that URL will be allow. Audit means the audit mode. Only give the audit the user can be get the access, but only audit mode. Warning means only give the warning only the end user. Block means completely block the execution. So just I will go for the then I will put high. Just go for high whatever the severity you can give. So I just go for high, and here just to click for malware. So whatever this one. So I just recommendation later. So all device in my organization or specific mission group. So you can select for the your mission group here. So currently I just go for the all the device, because all the once you create the your mission group, it take around uh, little bit time to originate for your mission group from here. So before the social media mission group be created, but it's not showing here. We take little bit time. So I just go for all the device. If you need to add the particular mission, you can select for the button. So I just go for the demo purpose, all the device in my organization. Then click next, then submit. So now after submit, it take little bit time to come here. You just go for refresh. Yeah. So now rejoskill.com is high. So all device never rejoskill. So now we already blocked this one. So maybe it take a little bit time. We will try if coming or just go for here. I try to block. I will try to check. So it take a little bit time. So I just pause my video. After that I will come back. So now we again welcome back our device again, and we will check the rejoskill is blocked or not. Just go for rejoskill again. So now you can see here, Rejoskill is blocked. This website is blocked your organizer hosted by the rejoskill.com Microsoft Security. So now you understand how to you can implement the custom indicator for blocking or allowing the website. So very important things, once you implement this policy, it's not take very quickly implement in your devices. So now you understand how to you can implement a custom indicator. So just I will go for again my custom portal. So after you implement, you can get the instant alert, and you can get the what is the alert from here also. You can just go for the alert. You can see here custom connected to the custom network indicator. You can get desktop recho. You just because currently that desktop recho. So just a click, you can get all the information when the system will be connected. You can see here smart rejoskill.com connected to the custom network indicator and detect information. So also you can get all the reported. It take a little bit time also to complete our report. Also you can go for the report, and you can go for the web protection. Here you can coming the web category, and here also web request. Currently the policy is updated, still is pending for the updations. So now you understand how to you can implement for the web protection policy in your end user devices. This video I part of my previous sections. So very important things, your device must be enrolled in your Microsoft Defender, and your virus threat protection is active, not in the passive mode. So this pre-configure is very, because I am already configure in my this video is the uh, continuity of my previous sections. So please watch my previous section if you not watch. So very important, whatever the license Microsoft Defender 1 and Defender 2 also supported. So now I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.